So what I've done, comfortable, is I've unpicked all the way along through here. There's probably about 15 spot welds from the front to about this point. So what I've done, and it's actually, I've moved it, it's freely. Now I went to run a brace from the floor up to the pillar, but I don't need to because I realise it's got the cross member from underneath. So what I'm going to do now is run the angle grinder through here, and what it's going to do is fully expose the whole seal. So it's going to be good. All right, let's do some angle grinding. Beautiful. So we can see it's moving, so it's nice. There was a seat bolt screw bolt through here, which I didn't see, but anyway, I didn't go all the way through it. So yeah, you can see this is moving now. So you can picture, I've got to cut down the back, but you can picture, so just there is the floor. Well, someone's cut out the floor because it was mint back in the day. So you can see the sill now. So what I'm going to do here is I won't be able to get under the floor and do the pot rivets because you can't get the piece in there to do it. But I'll do it from the top. I've got a WB Caprice out the back, complete car with everything running. So that was my donor car to get this car running. But you can see now when this is moved, the sill would be fully exposed. And what I'll do is I'll whack on some doors and a guard when I'm doing this, the outer sill, to get the correct alignment. So yeah, you can see the gap up the top here where I've cut through. And you can see the bottom of the sill It's fully gone. Surprisingly though, that back plate is in very good condition. It has got rust, so it'll be coming out, but considering the rest was destroyed, that's in very good condition. And I'll have to treat all up in there, wire wheel it back and then deoxidise it and do some sort of other primer. But yeah, so when you're hooking this back up, at least now I'll be able to get into the inside and do the rust treatment on up into this part as well. So, and when you're doing the weld, it's just going to be a nice seam. So going to be plenty of spot welds through here. I'll try and do a better job than what the factory did anyway. But you can see there, look at the rust. The whole floor's gone. This support brace was gone. I've got a couple of rear ends of cars that I've purchased and which were rust free. So I've got a lot to work with, which is good. So like I say, trying to edit all this will be a challenge because I haven't really done that before. But I'm sure there's going to be one or two people out there that's curious to sort of see how this is done, and it was doing my head in a little bit because I haven't had the experience. But yeah, it's going to be good when it's finished.